Hey nature lovers, ready for some sweet facts about bees? Bees are the ultimate flower power heroes. Did you know a single bee can pollinate over 5,000 flowers a day? That's like visiting 5,000 friends every day. And they're not just busy bees, they're crucial. Bees help pollinate 75% of the plants we eat. That means every 3 bites of food you take, thank a bee. But wait, there's more. Bees have their own secret dance moves. It's called the waggle dance. They wiggle to tell their friends where the best flowers are. Imagine if your GPS did a little dance every time it gave you directions. Here's the buzz. We need to save the bees. Without them, our plates and our planet would be in trouble. So, plant some flowers, avoid pesticides, and be a bee's best friend. Thanks for watching. Remember, a world without bees would be unbelievable.